Hi again everyone. So our last video focused on using a monitor swing arm to mount and display the UCS Falcon and save space in the house. And firstly, thanks very much for all of the great feedback we've had on YouTube, Reddit, Facebook, Eurobricks. Looks like everyone gets the flexibility that this mounting option provides in being able to position the Falcon any way you want to display it. And we've also created now some build instructions for the custom mounting bracket that we've used. So any UCS Falcon owner can now reproduce this display option if they want. We also had one message from a very clever individual on Reddit who suggested that the display would look even better if we included some TIE fighters. And they were right. So given that we had already installed a Light My Bricks kit into the Falcon, if we were going to add a TIE fighter, then it made sense to light that one up as well. So we started by looking at what off-the-shelf options were available for the TIE fighter, but none of them really matched what was in the original movies, which was important for me. So we started looking at what individual lighting components were available from Light My Bricks. And got to say, I had a lot of fun piecing this together. We used two Astro lights behind the ship to flood the corner with red light. We then used a micro rotating Astro light to mimic the cockpit instrumentation. And the most fun came from using the new FX Spectrum effects controller, which has done an awesome job of the laser cannons. And we hooked up one additional light in the cockpit to the same circuit so that the pilot gets a flash of red as the cannons are firing, sort of thing. Really impressed with the randomized firing pattern that this thing produces, and just makes it so much more interesting to look at it in the room. It's actually now being used just as a bit of a background light in the room because we've wired it up to the switch, as you saw, which is satisfying. So a big thanks for the suggestion from that very clever individual on Reddit to let me know that this build wasn't quite finished yet. And also a shout out to the Light My Bricks crew for an awesome lighting system that they've come up with. I was already impressed when I installed the bundle kit in the Falcon, but this new journey into DIY land with the TIE fighter has made me a big fan. So, one other little addition to the build, the Falcon at least. So, this is a bit of a hat tip to the Lego Star Wars exhibition that we saw in Melbourne. My daughter, grandson and I had a great day looking at some awesome builds and searching high and low for these two characters hidden throughout the exhibition. So a lot of fun, and thought it'd be nice to bring some of that fun home. So I hope that this has helped you with your display at home, and thanks for watching. See ya.